I'm Will Bateman, I'm the fire chief. I look after emergency management, municipal health and safety, and bylaw for the Township of Nipissing. Township of Nipissing, we're about 1,760 for a population. Small community, everybody's friendly. We have some great small businesses, big on tourism. It's amazing. We heard from the Small Business Save on Energy program through an email that came out. Everybody's always hesitating on receiving emails and following up, but the Save on Energy program was legit and they were great to work with. So we made a couple of energy efficient upgrades at our community center by changing all the lights in the hall, in the fitness center, in the basement. The township office, we did all the lighting in the upper floors, and in the public works we did a whole remodel. So all 30 lights, I believe it was. I made all the spaces brighter, so easier to see. We actually think we could go down to less lighting now. The firefighters noticed the difference at Station 2. It's brighter all the way in every corner. They sent somebody out to do an assessment of the building. They went back and did all the calculations. And then they hand out the documentation. They go over all the documentation with you. You sign it, and then they set up an install date. Anywhere we can cut costs in hydro or heating, we always try to take advantage of it, which in turn lowers our taxes and keeps our energy costs down. Dealing with the program was amazing. I definitely would recommend it to any municipality or small business just to save on energy, better for the environment and save on money for the taxpayers and all the way around.